Welcome to Tech Brother Zamir. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the largest files on your computer by using ChatGPT. Before, it was very hard writing all those codes and or scrolling or sorting and all those kind of things in a computer and then manually work on it. Now ChatGPT has helped us a lot. So I have written the prompt already and we are just going to copy paste. Can you please get me all the files from my computer from a folder? So if you see, I asked for this folder by myself because I have a lot of files and I don't want to run it for like 20 minutes. But in case you want to run for entire computer, you will just remove this part and say, can you please get me all the files from my computer? And you can say C drive, D drive, because we have multiple storage drives, and just provide that drive name there. In my case, I'm providing actually folder, so it will be quicker to demo. And save in this file, so you can provide wherever you would like to save. I would like to save in my data.csv file with the file name, file path, creation date, and file size in GB. I would like to use the PowerShell script, so generate me PowerShell script, and here we go. Now we are going to paste that here and hit enter, and it is going to generate us the PowerShell script. So you see that the source folder, it is creating me this C user, my Najaf documents and all that. In your case, you could have simply say just C drive and delete this entire everything. So now it's going to do C drive or D drive if you put and where you would like to save it, that's output. Now if you go further down there, it's going to loop and all those kind of things, and then it's going to create all that detail like a file name, file path, creation date, file in GB, and it is exporting to the output folder for us. Now we can copy this script right there. Once the code is copied, we can go back here and we can go to the ChatGPT. Sorry, we can go to our PowerShell window. I'm going to open the PowerShell, and here I'm going to run as administrator, and now I'm going to paste that right there. So it will say like, oh, okay, the file detail exported successfully to the C data and all that, right? Great. Now what I would like to show you first, these are the different files sitting in the folders. So this is the files I was asking. Now where we would like to save, we would like to save it on C drive. If I go to C drive, you can see that my data, and that's where it is saved. Let me open it, and now we are going to see the information, and it has C right there. It is showing us created. Now what's happened, it is only showing us one file because that's the file it is sitting right there. So what I did, let's go back here. So we go back here, and if we go to the recorded, and you see right there, these are the only files, and I did not include the nested files. So let's go back, no big deal. We are going to go back to ChatGPT, and it can make mistakes, or we can provide better prompt, but we did not. So in this case, guess what, you have not looked into the folders but only have given me files. I would Okay, so now I have provided more information. I'm asking, hey, don't worry about that, like just files. I want to have also the folders or subfolders and all those kind of things as well. So now let's go back and take a look. I'm going to copy the code, and it had made the changes to the code, and now we are going to go ahead and execute the code. Now I'm going to close this file, and we can delete the file, otherwise I think it should override. Maybe it will not, but let's give it a try. So now we go to PowerShell again, and here I will paste my code, hit enter. It says that file details including subfolder exported successfully. Let's go back here, and now we will take a look on C drive, and here we can see that now the data is like, as the file size has increased from 1 KB to 4 KB. It means it has included some more files. So open it, and now we will be able to see more information, and you can see that now it is given us the file name, Okay, now it's given us the folder name in which those videos or the files are sitting here. So you see that I have these different folders there, and now it has gotten everything what we need. And here is the file size. As the file size are not that in a big it's like very small files, so it is when it divided, so it gave us the GB 0.17 GB. That's pretty big, considering like a file. For a video, that's fine. And these are also the video files, so it has given a size. But now if you want to consider even this size, so maybe we will go in KB instead of just going with the GB. So when the conversion, or we could ask ChatGPT, guess what, hey, you have provided us GB but you have rounded to 0. Okay, can you provide the data file size in MB and don't round to 0, give us even small decimal values for those file sizes. Okay, so as much as we better prompt we will provide, it's going to give us all that information. So if I go back here, now it is doing MB, and also it's rounding to 3. So now even you have a small data with very small sizes, still it will give you some information. Now you can play with it and you will be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and just paste the query again, and once we paste it, hit enter, it got the data right away for us. Now I go back here, I'm gonna refresh, and now I will open the file. Let's take a look, and now you see that this data is available. So files are available for us, and then we have created data. So these files were not created a long time ago, and you can see that the data is in even a small like MB, but it's given us more information, 177.45 MB. These are 100 MB, 106, 159, and all. The ones which are very small, these are just empty files I just created for test, and their size is like in bytes. So if you want to go back and take a look, you can always go and take a look in the recorded. And if I go back here, office files, and these are the files it's talking about. So see, the size is 0, and this is the Excel, so 9 KB. So you can convert to KB and all that, then it will give you all that information, or even tell the ChatGPT consider even to the next level, very small level. So it actually did had for pretty much all of them, but not for the one which has a 0 bytes. So I thank you very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe my channel, and the goal was to introduce you to the power of ChatGPT and scripting such as PowerShell or CMD or Python, how you can use that to manage the files on your computer. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys in the next video.